Hi there, welcome to the ABCD YouTube channel, and this is Balaji. Do you guys think is it a kids channel, dance, or any other journal based? It's Apple Code Development by Balaji. In this YouTube channel, I will cover app development for Apple products, iOS, which is both iPhone and iPad, watchOS, macOS, and tvOS apps. Apple announced its app development language as Objective-C and Swift. Swift is the latest, so I will choose Swift and proceed the tutorials. Before that, I would like to ask, who are you? And what's the skill you have to learn this? You might be a student or fresher. You might be in non-IT profession. You might be a parent of baby. Or you might be an expert in development. Whatever it is. If you like to learn Apple application development, you are on the right platform. Because I have planned to start the tutorial from the scratch. So the only thing I am expecting from you is interest. I am so excited to share my knowledge in Apple application development, and I hope you guys will enjoy the session. Do you want to prove yourself as a developer? Do you want to succeed in Apple apps development? Do you want to learn something interesting and exciting? Follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram for instant updates. And subscribe to the ABCD YouTube channel for more videos. We will rock it. And thank you. Bye bye.